BeCEXY airdrop is likely not going to list this year. Trust me, you are warmly welcome to my channel. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe, like this video and turn on the bell icon. Turn on the notification icon so that you'll be notified whenever I drop updates. With this rate, yes, this rate you are seeing here that their airdrop fulfillment is going, it has been like this for ages. So do you think it's going to list this year? Because I don't think so. Personally, I don't think that BeCEXY core team are ready to list this token now. Because tell me why they will shake the entire crypto space and stress everybody because of this code when they are not ready to list the token. Because I can't even explain this their airdrop fulfillment. It has been like this for ages. Only God knows what the listing price will be, whether it will worth the stress or not. But regardless, we keep hoping for the best. Like I always say, just make sure you are putting yourself in the position to win. Because those who are ready always make the most out of crypto opportunities. The wise men say it works in other areas of life too. For those of you having issue with Solana wallet connection, this is how to go about it. Watch this video to the end. So if you are one of those finding it difficult to connect your Solana wallet to BeCEXY, this is the easiest way to go about it. Tap on Start Bot, then wait for it to load up. After loading, visit BeCEXY portal. Get started. So this is the page we need. All you have to do is to go to this top. Yes, click on this top, then copy the link. Copy the link and go to your wallet, any of the Solana wallet which you are using. Go to it, go to the browser and paste it there. Then repeat your wallet connection process. You will see it will connect easily. So all the people I showed this method of wallet connection found it helpful. So try it out and thank me later in the comment section. Please don't forget to share this video to those who are participating on BeCEXY airdrop and also those who are struggling on connecting their wallets. Make sure you share it to them. Thank you so much for subscribing to this channel. I know you have done that already. And if you haven't, please subscribe to this channel. See you on my next video.